We are going to make gluten. Gluten is made from wheat. To make it from scratch, you mix wheat flour with water. Then you make a hard dough, and after that you wash that dough until all the starch is gone. Then you will remain with something sticky. Now, we have a dry form of that. I think with the advanced technology, this flour is produced in China. They have machines that do the job. Instead of you going through the trouble of mixing flour and water and washing out, machines does that. And then once they have gluten, they dry it. And when they dry it, they grind it, then they sell the flour. This is the flour. I buy it here. It is packed this way. This is the flour. It's kind of yellowish, if you can see. This is how it looks like. And so once you have this flour, it is very easy for you to make gluten, because all you do is you just put spices and you put some water, and that is it. So that is what we are making today. You are going to see how I am making it. So welcome.